Today Jackson is going to be making strawberry mousse. We hope you enjoy. He is going to have 3 guests with him. So like, subscribe, and share. Off to you, Jack.
Thank you, Cameron, for telling them what we're making. And you have to put a large metal bowl in the freezer for at least 5 minutes. Off camera, we prepared a 1/4 cup of erythritol-monk fruit blend. Now we shall put our 8 ounces of strawberries. We took out the chilled bowl, and off camera we added 1/2 ounce of cream cheese, a 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream. Beat until well combined. Lick. We're going to add an 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt, 1/8 of a teaspoon of vanilla. Mix to combine. Off camera, we added 3/4 cup of heavy whipping cream. Beat until very stiff peaks. Now we're gently fold the puree into the whipped cream. Now mix it. Now we are going to put our bowl into the refrigerator at least for 1 hour or overnight. Hello everybody, now it is time for our taste test with 3 more helpers. Our 3 helpers are Grandma Judy, Aunt Becky, and Uncle Rick. Alright, let's taste it.
Oh, I like it.
This is good.
This is really good.
It's pretty creamy.
Oh, so creamy.
I like it. It is so nice. I
And
like
strawberries.
it. I really like it.
Thanks for joining us in today's video. I hope you like all of ours. And like, subscribe, share, and keep on watching our videos. Okay, have a nice day. Bye!
And no photo bombing. Get out of here.
Hello everybody, today
Start over. 3, 2. Say hi.
Hi, camera. What's your favorite color? I hit myself in the face.
Hang on.